are pleased to show you the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, four-wheel drive, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.